Please friend, describe and explain SafePal Wallet with USDT, and I have the seed phrase. How to move them to Binance. How to move USDT from SafePal Wallet to Binance using your seed phrase. Overview of SafePal Wallet and USDT. SafePal is a hardware and software cryptocurrency wallet designed for securely storing and managing digital assets. USDT, or Tether, is a popular stablecoin pegged to the US dollar. If you have USDT stored in your SafePal wallet and need to move it to Binance, a leading cryptocurrency exchange, you can do so safely by following these steps. Steps to transfer USDT from SafePal Wallet to Binance. 1. Access SafePal Wallet with seed phrase. Download the SafePal app on your device. During the setup, choose the option to recover wallet and input your 12 or 24-word seed phrase to restore your wallet. Ensure no one else has access to these words. 2. Confirm USDT availability. Open the restored wallet and ensure your USDT balance is visible. Check which blockchain network your USDT is on. For example, Ethereum, BNB Smart Chain, or Tron. 3. Log into Binance. Access your Binance account. If you don't have one, create an account and complete identity verification, also known as KYC. 4. Copy your Binance deposit address. Navigate to Wallet, then Fiat and Spot, and select Deposit in Binance. Select USDT as the token and choose the same network as your USDT in SafePal. For example, ERC, 20 for Ethereum, BEP, 20 for BNB Smart Chain, or TRC, 20 for Tron. Copy the deposit address shown. 5. Initiate transfer in SafePal. In the SafePal app, locate USDT in your wallet and tap Send. Paste the Binance deposit address in the recipient field. Input the amount you wish to transfer and select the appropriate blockchain network. 6. Pay network fees. Ensure your wallet has enough of the network's native cryptocurrency to cover transaction fees. For example, Ethereum, ETH for ERC, 20, BNB for BEP, 20, or TRX for TRC, 20. 7. Confirm and send. Review the transaction details and confirm. Wait for the transaction to process. Depending on network traffic, it may take a few minutes to an hour. 8. Check Binance Wallet. Once the transaction is complete, the USDT should appear in your Binance account balance under the chosen network. Safety tips. Secure your seed phrase. Never share it with anyone. Treat it as your wallet's master key. Double-check addresses. Cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible. Always verify the Binance deposit address before confirming. Watch out for fees. Be aware of network fees and the Binance deposit minimum to avoid failed transfers. Quiz. Test your knowledge about SafePal and USDT transfers. 1. What is SafePal Wallet primarily used for? A. Mining cryptocurrencies. B. Storing and managing digital assets. C. Trading stocks. D. Lending cryptocurrencies. Answer. B. Storing and managing digital assets. 2. What does USDT stand for? Unified Stable Digital Token. Universal Secure Digital Transfer. Tether. United States Digital Tether. Answer. Tether. What is a seed phrase in a cryptocurrency wallet? A password. A backup phrase to restore your wallet. A blockchain key. A mining tool. Answer. A backup phrase to restore your wallet. Which network might USDT be on? ERC 20. BEP 20. TRC 20. All of the above. Answer. All of the above. What is the purpose of network fees in a cryptocurrency transaction? To pay the wallet provider. To incentivize miners or validators. To increase transaction speed. To secure your seed phrase. Answer. To incentivize miners or validators. What happens if you send USDT to the wrong address? The transaction is reversed automatically. The funds are lost permanently. Binance refunds it. The transaction is delayed. Answer. The funds are lost permanently. What must you check before transferring USDT to Binance? The recipient address matches the wallet's blockchain network. The transaction is tax exempt. Your seed phrase. Your wallet password. Answer. The recipient address matches the wallet's blockchain network. Which cryptocurrency is used to pay fees for an ERC 20 USDT transaction? BTC, ETH, USDT, TRX. Answer: ETH. Why is it important to match the blockchain network on Binance and SafePal? To avoid additional fees. To ensure the transfer is successful. To make the transaction faster. It doesn't matter which network is used. Answer: to ensure the transfer is successful. What is the main purpose of a cryptocurrency exchange like Binance? To store seed phrases. To facilitate buying, selling, and trading cryptocurrencies. To create blockchains. To mine Bitcoin. Answer: to facilitate buying, selling, and trading cryptocurrencies. By following these steps and understanding the process, you can confidently move your USDT from SafePal to Binance while ensuring the security of your assets.